Hey y'all! So today we're making what might have been the best fried chicken I've ever had in my life. And trust me, I've been eating amazing fried chicken my whole entire existence. So basically, everything you see on screen right now is going in this chicken. Everything but that kangaroo, okay? Everything, okay? Everything. Everything. Paprika, the ginger, the salt-free season, the slap your mama, the no salt, the MSG, the pepper. Everything. The mustard, buttermilk, the red hot pickle juice, the sweet, everything. Sorry, guys. And I'm not going to redo this because I just did 30 videos in 3 weeks. So yes, I'm not going to be making these videos perfect. Now we're going to clean that chicken, okay? Clean that chicken. And we're going to tenderize it. So I got some baking soda, some clean water. I use one hand. I know to be safe. I even put like hate when that happens. That's funny. Okay, I even put like a little bit of soap on the side so whenever I go to wash my hands, take the soap off, scrub them clean. Now, I'm just showing y'all what to do with me. My hands are clean now. I'm showing y'all what to do. Rinse it. Or did I already do it? Yeah, I already did it. I rinsed it off. Now I'm showing you guys right there. Now I'm clean. Now remember, it's baking soda. Now I'm just going to basically use the vinegar to get, a deeper clean going. If I had some lemons and limes, I would be scrubbing the fuck up the chicken, but I ain't got it. We're going to poke holes in it because some of the chicken I'm making that night because my baby is really hungry. And the rest I'm going to marinate, but I'm poking holes because I want that flavor to get all through the chicken, okay? Be careful not to bust any vessels and like the chicken already. I might have did that by mistake, but it's okay. Now, I tried not to. I was just really rushing. I was trying to record, cook, clean, edit. I was trying to do a lot. Okay, I'm not gonna be yapping away this whole time. I'm just showing you guys what I did to literally make. Oh, there was duck sauce. Yes, duck sauce. Listen, this ain't gonna be no only thing that I'm missing is sesame oil in this marinade, whatever. Now, this ain't gonna be one of the I tried 4 of the ingredients, I don't like it. No, if you can't try the whole recipe with all these ingredients, don't do it. Well, do it and don't say it's me or say it was inspired by me. Okay? Please and thank you. Make sure your chicken's clean. You know what? Do what you want, baby. If you don't want your chicken clean, hey, do what you want. Okay, do you? I'm not there to judge you. Okay, baby, you do what you want. Okay, I'm not here to judge you. I don't like that slimy, slimy feeling that the chicken be having. I don't like that. So I like to clean my chicken. I had some lemon and limes, I would, and that even adds to the flavor for being so for real. We're gonna season that chicken up, right? I seasons my food, okay? And I love me a good no salt seasoning. I goes in. Anything with no salt, give it to me. I'm going in. Okay? When I teach people how to cook, I cook with love, one. And when I teach people how to cook, I let them know. As long as there's no salt in that seasoning, go in. Now, certain flavors are strong, so be careful. But guess what? You have a mouth. Test it. Try it. Try the seasoning before putting in food so you know how much to cook. Now, no offense to white people, but when I teach white people how to cook, I tell them if it looks like too much, keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. Okay? But like that. So like the ginger, like the curry. Obviously, I'm not going to go hard and heavy with such strong flavors. Now, that cilantro, I noticed, I don't really taste it. It's not really strong. It just has like a little hint of like a little savoriness, and I fuck with it now. Everything you see me use in this video, if you want to make this chicken, you better use what you see. Is it expensive? Probably. But hey, everything is an investment. You could use all these seasonings, all these, all this stuff for a whole bunch of shit. So get it. And I'm saying, like, and if you're going to make it and make it your way, just say inspired by that Soleimani, not that Soleimani recipe, because that's not it. I just can't stand with somebody, did I do my magic trick? I can't remember if I did my magic trick or not. But yeah, I just can't stand when people try recipes and they don't even do it the right way and they be like, I didn't like it. Like, well, you ain't even follow the fucking directions. Anyway, I'm trying to ease up on the cursing. I get it. I'm trying, okay? Work with your girl now. I'm about to infuse this food with some love. Do you hear me? When I cook, I infuse my food with love. Not stress, not depression, not anxiety, not heartache, not mental instability, baby. Love. Okay? Love and peace and serenity and hope and faith in the Most High. Okay? Okay? Okay. Now, I suggest you do the same because we all can. I could all follow this recipe, but it ain't gonna come out the same if you're not putting love in your food. Yeah, duck sauce. I know it's like, what the fuck? But believe it or not, duck sauce complemented the Frank's Red Hot pickle juice. It balanced it out somehow. Like, I didn't do shit. I'm genius. I'm a food genius. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, that's how I got so big. But now I make healthier recipes. I know, like, fried chicken, how's that healthy? Because it is, okay? I just don't know how, it just is. It just makes sense. When I get my kitchen for my new place, I'm gonna use healthier oils and healthier methods. And of course, I don't eat fried shit a lot. All this fried stuff you guys see me. Okay, well, I'm gonna shut up because the last 2 months I have been eating fried. I started doing dinners and it all went down from there because all being around all that really, really good food all day, I thought I would have, self-discipline, and it turns out there is no such thing as self-discipline around my food. Now, I'll go back to my healthy recipes. I told y'all, we're going to do all of that eventually. Remember, keep your kitchen clean. When you're dealing with raw chicken, raw meat, period, you disinfect. I don't really know if Fabioso the disinfectant. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm not going to front. There was a little bit of bleach in there as well. I'm going to stop mixing. I know it's not good, blah, blah, blah. Now, I also made some rice. The rice tastes amazing. I wasn't fond of the peas. I feel like the peas were a little too hard for my liking. Then I forgot to take the rice off the stove top, so it's a little bit more cooked than I would like. Wasn't mushy, but it wasn't as firm and perky like I like it. I like my rice bouncy like this. Ass, boy. I like that rice bouncy, okay? Firm, okay? Yeah. There was some olives in it. I did that. Remember I was rushing because my baby was hungry. Okay, my man is a football player. He likes to eat, so I had to hurry up. He eats like a football player, but he eats like the team, okay? Gotta get my baby right. Look at that chicken. Look at that chicken. Look at that chicken. Ooh, look at that chicken. Color on it, you heard? Fried hard, soft on the inside. I had to put them up so that oil could drain, okay? When I get my house, I'm gonna get me one of those little, what are those? Cooking sheets, big cookie racks, whatever the fuck they are. Put on my fried chicken on that. I gotta go, y'all. Bye. No mic, so we're gonna have to just use the phone. My mics didn't come in the mail yet. I'm like, what the fuck? We're gonna do it AMSMR. We're gonna do AMSMR. We're doing an ASMR. We're gonna do an ASMR. We're gonna do an ASMR. ASMR. We're gonna do an ASMR. We're gonna do an ASMR. 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 Yeah, but I don't think I like the lighting. Oh, I don't know how I feel about that. Let me see. We're gonna do an ASMR. Like, you can't see the food though. Whoa. Whoa, bitch is icy. Whoa.
Not too much on me. I'm not in the mood to talk shit today, y'all. I'm not in the mood to talk shit today. I'm tired. Ouch. See, that scared me. Oh shit, the chicken. This is good though. I think I like it standing over here better. It's like a little vibe to it, you know, got a little oomph to it. But I like that being in the background better. So I'm gonna just go like that. Better, yes, better. ASMR. Sorry, last time we're doing fried chicken for a while because I didn't want it to go to waste. Well, my kid, it was gonna go to waste. So I could have gave it to my man, but I wanted it. I deserve it. I worked so hard. The juices is just coming out. Honestly, maybe it ain't. It's just so good. I don't give a fuck. I really don't. Can't see you? I don't. I was like, toodaloo. That's juicy. Yeah. That's cooked with that fried chicken sauce. It's so good. The meat. This has been marinating in almost 4 days with the buttermilk. Seasonings. I don't know. Roasted garlic. I ain't never tasted no chicken so goddamn seasoned before. Like, I don't eat it. Cut that up. Reading it like, oh, I don't know. That would look like, I swear it's not my business. Anyway, see that? That's the curry. See the curry? What else on camera? Seasoned to the bone. You hear me? Look at that. I'll let my man. Baby, I will make some chicken like this in the house. I need both of these. Look, these is too big. It could have been a whole kitchen full of chicken. I wouldn't need it at all. Greedy or not, I don't care. And that goes for anyone, not just him. Anyone watching this, I'm not sharing with you. One shit you just can't share. I don't want your undercooked chicken ass anyway. Okay. Twitter fingers. Good. What's getting anyway? Don't fucking want it. What's getting it? What's getting it? What up? What's getting it? ASMR. ASMR. Shh. 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 Mm-hmm. 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 Um, anyone else, she swears too much. So greedy. Like, I'm always greedy. But it's like I'm really hitting my maximum of greediness. Wait till we get this part. I want something to go with it. Because it's been working out. But I thought it would have been enough for just, you know, that's my dinner. Just 2 chicken legs faithfully. I'm about to, like, no. So, yeah, for some reason, like, if it's not, like, organic or like, really good quality, I'm not using that a lot. Look at that. God. What? Cilantro salsa, sour cream, a little bit of dill pickle juice, a little bit of brown mustard, a little bit of mayo, a little bit of ketchup, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of dill, a little bit of pepper. Sprinkle MSG. Okay, miss nothing. Sofrito. Right up in there. The fresh green kind. This one. This little piece right here, in my way. I eat it. I eat it first so I don't fuck up the texture of the rest of the chicken. The meat is so soft. And the bite to it. Inside a vegetable. Celery. Or cucumber. Or radish. Onion cups are good. I'm definitely doing that. I'm hard. I'm not sorry. I don't apologize. I take it back. At first, I'm like, supposed to be doing a video. I didn't expect this to be the best tasted chicken I've ever had in my life, okay? No offense, but fuck this video. Don't do good, okay? Okay? I don't upload videos for them to do good. I just upload videos because I feel like Some of us deserve each other's energy. In a good way, healthy way, positive way. It might make some people smile. Ain't that always a good enough reason to do something? If it was always about a house, I would have been did it. I'd be joking. It's so good. Cucumber when they had it going. Oh. Oh, hell no. Is that a glare? You tell me I've been fucking the suit up this whole time and the camera ain't clean? That's insane. Oh, shit. Oh, that meat. It's just so. I don't even care. Oh, I caught it. Caught that bitch. You hear that? That's just to me. I'm just going like this. Yep. I want the skin. Whatever I put in the batter. Oh, this was video. But some shit be so good you can't even. You can't really. You can't fuck around this. Like this piece be annoying as shit too. Like, what are you doing? I'm not eating that. Didn't know. Those were hard too. Oh yeah. Should have saved that part. Let's look. I'm not gonna eat this part because that's a little too red for my liking. But the rest, I don't give a fuck. Oh, I hear no nothing but no curls because hips here. I'm simming them now. I knew I was missing something. My damn light on the phone. I'm like, why do I feel so dull? Yeah, being gritty. I'm gonna miss this whole video out. I'm still posted though. Let me have a vacuum clean every time I'm done. Don't like that piece. I don't like that piece. A lot of people's gonna be creeped out. Chicken's right in that little area. I don't know. I'll always be a big girly. Even as I continue to lose weight, I've been a big girl in my life. I've been slim when I was younger. I always had a big girl heart. I eat. Okay. When I was younger, I used to be mad skinny, like 6, 7, 8, and I used to eat racks of ribs. Eating Big Macs at 5'4". Oh, that's where all this booty butt came from. Yep. Hey, y'all. Well, damn, I got it on my hoodie now. I'm just, this was not good of an ASMR, but I'll do better next time. Love you guys. Bye. Y'all, I almost went to sleep, but then I was like, they didn't see me drink my water. Y'all wanted to see me drink my water? It was cold. It was slow because it was so cold. I tell you right out. Oh, I took it out the refrigerator and brought it over here. Oh, it's going down so good though. Night, guys.